Which is the best lip balm for you? If you are confused, then this video is for you. We will discuss about various lip balms category wise and why they work. To start with, we'll first discuss about everyday used lip balms, that is the tinted lip balms. Then we'll discuss about lip balms for very dry and chapped lips, for dark lips, and for sensitive lips. Hi, I'm dermatologist Dr. Nirupama from Zoli Skin Clinic, Delhi. I make videos on skincare and hair care in English on this channel and in Hindi on this channel. You could subscribe to our channels and also follow me on Instagram. Let's first talk about lip balms for everyday use, which also tend to have a little bit of natural tint. So these are very hydrating, they are very lightweight, and they give a smooth texture to the lips. They are great for everyday use, especially if you want to wear them to work, to college, or under the lipstick. Some of my recommendations are Wishcare Tinted Ceramide Lip Balm, which contains ceramides, helps repair the skin barrier, has physical sunscreen, and a blend of excellent emollients like shea butter, cocoa butter, and mineral oils. The Vaseline Rosy Lip, it is also extremely simple and effective. It has petrolatum, which is gold standard occlusive, seals in moisture perfectly. Laneige Glaze Craze Tinted Lip Serum. Then the Nivea Cherry Shine Lip Balm. It contains glycerine, glyceryl glucoside to attract moisture. The Hyphen Tinted Lip Balm. It has 1% vitamin E, 2% squalene, peptides. It also helps moisturize dry lips. Now let's discuss about lip balms for very dry and cracked lips. So in this case, you would need a lip balm that will help hydrate the lips and will have repairing ingredients, because very dry lips can end up having a lot of cracking, chapping, as well as sometimes the lips might even bleed. Some of my recommendations are Bioderma Etoderm Lip Balm. It has a classic barrier repairing formula with mineral oils, microcrystalline wax, bee wax, shea butter, sunflower oil, and gives long lasting moisture. Aquaphor Eucerin Lip Balm. Chaptix Lip Care Lip Balm. It has SPF 15 and almond oil, avocado oil, tocopherol acetate. Vaseline Blue Seal Pure Petroleum Jelly. And you could also apply Borolene at night. Apply a very thin layer to reduce the dryness. However, if you're still experiencing dryness even after applying a lip balm multiple times a day, it could be cheilitis, that is inflammation of the lips, which could occur because of irritation caused by excess sun exposure or cosmetics or hormonal changes as well. Also, you could be having a perioral dermatitis where there's inflammation and irritation on the lips as well as the skin surrounding the lips. In this case, a lip balm will not help. You will have to visit your dermatologist for proper diagnosis and treatment. Now let's discuss about best lip balms for dark lips. So dark lips could occur because of multiple reasons. Some of them being excess sun exposure, hormonal changes, smoking, lip licking, and as a part of post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. For this, you would need a lip balm which has brightening ingredients as well as an SPF to help protect from excessive sun exposure and UV damage. Some of my recommendations are Minimalist L-ascorbic acid 8% lip treatment balm. It has vitamin C, humectants, petrolatum. It helps reduce pigmentation and also hydrates the lips deeply. The Melalumin Lip Lightener, Lips Light Lip Lightening Cream, Sebamed Lip Defense SPF 30, which has an SPF 30, plant oil, bee wax, and vitamin E, and also shields against UV damage. The Brinton UV2 Lip Lightening Balm SPF 40, it has almond oil, olive oil, and vitamin E. However, a lip balm is not the only treatment that you might need for dark lips. Sometimes you might even require chemical peels, Q-switch laser, or lip neutralization techniques in order to reduce the darkness. I have made a long format video on dark lips in Hindi. I'm linking it here. I'll also be making a long format video on dark lips where I'll be discussing about the causes in detail, what is the treatment that we usually do for dark lips. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel for regular updates. Now let's talk about lip balms for sensitive lips. So sensitive lips are those which easily get inflamed and irritated, and there is a lot of dryness and cracking on the lips. They're also very sensitive to environmental changes like excess sun exposure, or if there is a windy condition, then also the lips might get very dry and chapped and cracked. In this case, you should look for a lip balm which is hypoallergenic, fragrance free, and is non tinted. Because sometimes sensitive lips might even react to fragrance, preservatives, camphor, and menthol. So you should look for ingredients such as petrolatum, ceramides, oat extracts, and panthenol. Some of my recommendations are Bioderma Etoderm Lip Balm. As I told you earlier, it is a classic barrier repairing formula with mineral oil, bee wax, shea butter, sunflower oil. The Vaseline Blue Seal, it is the yellow Vaseline, which is the original form of petroleum jelly. It is unprocessed, thicker, no fragrance, and safe for allergy prone lips. Uriage Lip Balm, NMFE Moisturizing Lip Care. This is also a hydrating SPF lip balm which has aloe vera, vitamin E, and UV filters. I have mentioned the link of all these lip balms in this video so that there is no confusion. So I hope this video was useful and you understood which is the best lip balm. If you have any more questions related to skincare and hair care, you could drop them in the comments.